Hey everyone, today I'm making matar ka samosa. For that, take water in a pan. Now add peas. Boil it till it is soft. Now cool it. Now take a bowl, add maida, ajwain, crush ajwain before putting it, salt, ghee. Now mix it properly. The texture should be like a sand. Now add some water. Add water gradually and make a soft dough out of it. Now you can see our dough is ready. Now cover it and keep it aside. Now for the filling, take a pan or a kadahi, heat some oil, add cumin seed, hing, coriander seeds, chilli, ginger and boiled peas, red chilli powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, salt and mix it properly. Now cook it till it dries out. Now add coriander leaves, cook it till no moisture is left. Now your filling is ready. Now take a dough. Now you can see it's very soft. Now take a ball out of it. Now roll it and make a circle. Now cut it in equal size. Apply a drop of water in the corner and fold it this way. Now fill it with peas and press it from the top and seal it. Now you have to be careful that it is sealed properly. Now we'll show you once again. Apply water, fold this way, fill it with peas and seal it properly from the top. Now heat oil in a pan or a kadai, take a small ball and check if the oil is hot. The oil should be always hot before you put the raw samosa in it. When you put all the samosas, put your flame in low-medium heat and cook till it turns golden brown color. You can always keep a raw samosa in a freezer for 1 week. So whenever the guests arrive, you can just fry it out and give it to them. Always give patience while you make the samosas. So now your samosas are ready. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos.